Hey, I heard we just bought some new equipment at Motor City Spindle Repair. What did we buy?
Well, I'm really excited about that. We just got a Hardinge Kellenberger K100. So this is a CNC grinder. It's going to allow us to hold tighter tolerances than ever. And if you're familiar with, spindle repair, frequently you have to do different taper regrinds. We're doing that right now. We're doing, Cat 40, Cat 50, all different Cat sizes, Big Plus, ISO, ANSI, KM, HSK. But in the past, we used to have to stay away from Capto tool holders. Capto are really popular in different DMG, Mori, Mazak, Doosan, a few other manufacturers that are manufacturing mill turn machine tools. For some reason, everybody's running Capto tool holders on that. A lot of times they're C6 Capto tool holders. And in the past, if a tool holder was worn, if the spindle shaft had run out, you had to buy a new shaft. We just had a spindle sent to us, and the OEM was quoting $18,000 for just the shaft. And then that repair would have been, way over 20, if not 30 grand to do repair. Now we're going to be requalifying that taper and doing everything in house. And it's pretty cool on these Kellenberger 1500Us that we own internally. They're manual machine tools, best in the business. But, the setup time and the amount of time it took to grind these machine tool spindles would take 2 to 4 hours. Now we're going to be doing them, in 15, 20 minutes. So it's really incredible. And we're going to be showing more and more video on that. So I look forward to updating everybody. Peace out.